This bird just flew by my window, scared the hell out of me, and just landed right on my mirror. What the heck? Just chilling on my mirror. That's funny. Here's a closer look of it. It has some like orange wings. That's kind of cool. I think he's trying to get in my car. What the heck? What are you doing? Alright then. He's still on my window. Like, what the heck? I'm gonna start, like, going. I'm gonna see if, like, maybe he'll fly away if I start going. Oh. Let's see. He's gonna take a ride with me. This is too funny. No, he flew away.